My name is Raj Agrawal. We are in Palladam in Tamil Nadu. It is the factory where we make all the pure waste garments.
My name is Venkatachalapati. Working with pure waste textiles. We made our building in such a way the heat won't come inside. We have given some special protection in the top of the roof. We have some around 120 coconut trees so that air is very cool always. In our factory around 80 people are working. We are having around 10 rooms in our factory compound itself. The workers are living there. We are giving some transport facility also. Northern workers from Nepal and Bihar, Orissa, they will come, they will work for 6 months minimum. Then they will take a break for at least 1 month. They will go home and come back after 1 month.
और नेपाल से आता हूँ यहाँ पे काम करता हूँ, वो फिर टाइम नहीं रहता है तो घूमता उधर इधर 1 साल में घर पे जाता हूँ, 1 साल के बाद फिर 1 महीना रहता हूँ घर पे, फिर चलाता हूँ, कमाता हूँ तो खाता हूँ, काम यहाँ पे करता हूँ तो खाना खाता हूँ वहाँ पे और कमा कर रखता हूँ। जब शादी उदी होता है फिर तो बाल बच्चा का पढ़ाता लिखाता हूँ।
We are starting our work at 8:30 in the morning and there is a gap around half an hour for lunch and we are starting around 1:30 after that. We are working up to 5 o'clock and then there is a break for tea and we are closing at 7:30. We are working 6 days in a week. Sunday is compulsory holiday. Our workers, they feel happy about our treatments. Treatments means we are providing everything for them.
They are getting longer breaks, they get refreshed, the stress levels are very low.
यहाँ जितने भी काम करने वाले वर्कर हैं वो एक दोस्त की तरह रहते हैं, अपने घर की तरह रहते हैं। ये कंपनी अच्छी कंपनी है, यहाँ सारी सुविधाएं दी जाती हैं वर्कर को, इसलिए यहाँ काम करने में थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है।
If we keep them happy, the workers, then we will get a good quality products and we are also happy.
ஒர்க் முடிச்சு போனதும் குழந்தைங்க வந்துடுவாங்க, ஸ்கூல்லேருந்து குழந்தைங்க வந்துடுவாங்க, அவங்களோட விளையாடிட்டு இருந்துட்டு டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு எதாவது கிளாஸ் எடுத்துகிட்டு அவ்வளோதாங்க சார். டெய்லி அப்படி தான் போயிட்டுருக்குங்க. சண்டே வெளியில் போவோம், மூவிக்கு போகிறதுங்க, குழந்தைகளோட டைம் ஸ்பெண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அப்படி போயிட்டுருக்குங்க.
Here the water level is going down and down every day because of lack of rains and there is no storage of water. So we need to save for future, otherwise it is very difficult for drinking water also.
There's a lot of climatic changes going around, so we are not able to predict the rains. If you see the annual rainfall per year, it is decreasing.
Once we start growing more and more cotton, the population is also growing. The food requirement is too much high. The water is not available for the normal food crops.
We are trying to make it more ecological with pure waste. We are making our garments from the recycled waste and we are saving water from that.
Whenever we are manufacturing garments, there is a lot of wastage which takes place in the textile form, which could be normally between 10 to 25%. We collect those wastage, segregate it color-wise, and then we get it recycled into new fibers. And then those fibers are converted into, by spinning into yarns. And then those yarns are again knitted back or woven back to textiles, and from those textiles we again make the garments. So in this we don't use any dyeing chemicals, neither do we use water, and dyeing process is one of the most harmful processes, so that is also very positive for pure waste that is not being used.
We are over consuming. We are using more than what we really require. And to say that, in my childhood days, I used to have 4 to 5 sets of dresses in my almara in the entire year. In that, 2 out of 2 is my school dress. Now, I have more than 40 sets. My kids having 20 to 30 sets. We are overusing. We are using more than really what is required. in the name of development, in the name of luxury, or in the name of, what to say, the growth, economic development or growth. So much is not really required.
But nobody's really very much interested like the Pure Waste team, because they are totally giving 100% of their time and energy in this development, whereas the other companies, I think, are just advertising more than developing the products.
It is going to be very tough time for the future, for our kids also, our future generation also.